come join we for the 2010 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. This year going to be the Gullah Geechee Seminole Maroon Reunion, coming from South Kakalaki all the way down to Florida, August 19th through the 22nd, 2010, going over to Grand Bahama Island in the Bahamas. Hunter chillin', it going to be a time, hunter half a day. Join us by going to www.gullahgeechee.info or call 843-838-1171, 843-838-1171 for more information on this year's Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Hunter half a day, bring the family. It going to be a time for truth.
Come on now, Gullah, get down, Gullah, get down.